Hello guys, welcome to my channel Factorial Facts. So today I'll tell you some unsolved mysteries of India. So let's start the video. The Lepakshi temple in Andhra Pradesh is famous for its mystery of the floating pillar. This temple is a well-known archaeological and historical site dedicated to Lord Shiva. A strange thing about this place is that one out of the 70 pillars this temple is built on hangs in the air. This pillar is standing without any support. According to people, they believe amongst the many tricks temple builders of that age knew this was one of them. The mystery of doorless houses. No building or place of residence, houses, shops, or for that matter, even school haven't any kind of doors on them and neither a door frame. More than that, not a single crime has been reported in this village ever. Yes, I am talking about the village of an Ahmednagar, which is famous for its Shani temple, hold a strong belief in the powers of Lord Shani and believe that this is all is doing. The mystery of magnetic hills. At the magnitude of 11,000 feet above sea level, it seems that cars are pulled up at their own accord. It is believed you can drive here even with the car ignitions off and the hills will be pulling car towards themselves. It's a small stretch of road located about 30 kilometers from Leh Ladakh towards Kangri and known as Magnetic Hill of Ladakh. However, people say it's an optical illusion. There is one of gravity hill, which means that a very slight downhill slope appears to be an uphill slope. Why it appears that way can actually be attributed to the obstructed horizon, either completely or mostly. What is also believed to be at work behind this mysterious phenomena is a magnetic force so strong that it can pull cars uphill. Well, this is the scientific explanation, but as per the villagers, they believed it to be a path to heaven. Once upon a time, people deserving of it would automatically pulled up to heaven, while others wouldn't experience this phenomenon. The mystery of red rain. The legend of red rain in Idukki, Kerala mystified people, also known as blood rain. It baffled people back in 2001. Such events are even unexplained through scientific reasons and render them so mysterious that they are marked in our minds forever. Apart from the fact that it was the usual monsoon time, the part of Kerala experienced red in blood red color. It was also a very localized phenomenon occurring only over a stretch of a few kilometers. So, why did it happen? There were multiple theories put forward. CESS means Center for Earth Science Studies theorized that the red particles emerged out of an exploding meteor but later they rejected it themselves. Indian Meteorological Department's senior scientific assistant Mr. K. Shashidharan Pillai came up with an amazing explanation. Mr. Pillai noted that Philippines' Mayon volcano was erupting at the time when Kerala was experiencing blood rain, so volcanic acidic material was blamed. It was also thought to be Arabian desert dust. Another one of the explanations blamed extraterrestrial life. What exactly happened? We are yet to find out. The mystery of visa god. We all know how tough it is to get a US visa. Lord Venkateshwar is a diet here who is known as the visa granting Balaji. It is one of the ancient temples near the banks of Osman Sagar Lake. This temple is about 45-minute drive from Hyderabad. Since few years, this place has become one of the top pilgrimage destinations for truly aspiring US visa candidates. The mysterious fact about this temple is that they do up getting one. We don't know if it is the law of attraction or actual Lord Venkateshwar's blessing. But this temple is already known as the Temple of the Youth. The temple is located in Chilkur Balaji Temple in Hyderabad. The mystery of least access place in India. The territory is an area of dispute between China and India. Regardless of that phase, it is also the least accessed area of India. There have been weird spottings of UFO and strange figures of humanoids. The locals in this area believes that it belongs to the aliens. There have been more than 5 sightings of weird, undetectable objects here. Is it a UFO? Then, by definition, nobody knows the truth. It's a high security matter that the government does not want the general public to know about. And the place located is in Konkala Pass, Leh, Ladakh.